Let us understand about a feature called Vacation Responder in the email settings. Whenever you are out for a vacation, or you do not have access to internet, or you have something very urgent to take care of, and you still need to answer the emails that are coming your way, this feature is going to help you a lot. So how to activate this feature so that even in your absence the recipients will be updated on your status will be learnt in this video. Stay tuned. First, I have to log into my Gmail account. So I'm logging into the Gmail account here. It is opening. Now my email account is open. On the right top, this icon settings, I need to click it. I'll go to settings. The settings page will open. I will scroll down to the bottom of this one. You can see Vacation Responder over here. It sends an automated reply to incoming messages. So this is what we want. Right now it is off. By default it is always off because we are right now active. So whenever we have to activate it, we have to put it on. So I've activated it now. I have not saved it so far, so it is just in progress. So you can put the date from where you are going to start your vacation and the last day, which is optional because it will continue till the time you disable it otherwise. So on the subject, like you can put I'm on leave or I have some urgent tasks, and in the message you can put we'll be back soon. It is better to give some tangible dates so that people are very clear about you, how many days you are off. And then you have an option called if you can tick it, you can uncheck it. Like right now it is unchecked. If you check it, the response will be given to only those people who are in your contact list. So if you want to give response to everybody, just keep it unchecked and save changes. So now see, you can see on the top you are on leave. You can end it now, but right now we have activated it. So right now the feature is activated. So let me log out from this, and now I open my another account and let us see how it works now. Now I will send an email to my first account, which is right now off. That means the Vacation Responder is on there. So I will compose an email, send it to sudhiragar@gmail.com where I activated the feature, and I will just put a test message over here and I will send it. See, so the message is gone now. So I will log out. Let us wait for some time because I will get a response from the other account where I sent this message. Now see, you can see it here. There is an automated response from Tiliju Consulting, the first account where I activated the feature. I am on leave. In the messages, will be back soon, thanks for cooperation. So this is how the feature is activated. So this recipient has got a response without any actual response being sent from the actual user, because it was pre-typed and it will go to everyone, whoever will send an email to this account for this period now. So this is how the feature is working. So I can go back to my original account. So let me enter into the account where I activated it, and on the top I can end now. So I can go to vacation settings. I could have done directly from end now also, and here I put it off again. It is very important to put it off, because if you rejoin the office or you are back from vacation and you forgot to actually change the status, the automated responses will keep on going, and that will lead to some embarrassment at times. So please ensure that, and after that please do not forget to save changes. So it is done. So that is how we use this feature called Vacation Responder. I hope the video was clear and you will find it useful in your day-to-day working. Thanks for watching.